Bhai, this is another video of me talking about the laws of the spirit world, the book I have talked about in one of my videos previously that was published on YouTube. And I want to talk about the realm system in the spirit world, like how it is actually divided. The book says कि 7 realms होते हैं और हर realm के अंदर में 10 stages होते हैं. And the realm 1, 2 and 3 are termed as what we call as hell, and the rest of the realms except for fourth are called the heaven. And the realm which is the fourth realm is where the humans start. So like after a human being dies on earth, his conscious decides whether he has to go to hell or the heaven, and he travels from fourth realm's fifth stage. So like that is the joining point, like we can call it that. और हम लोग ये जो फोर्थ realm का फिफ्थ स्टेज है इससे या तो hell में जाते हैं या फिर heaven में जाते हैं. Now talking about realm 1, it is the darkest of the realms. It is the worst place where a soul can be at, and this realm actually consists of the entities that are disfigured. Like सिर्फ बहुत ही वियर्ड सा बॉडी है, अजीब सा क्रिएचर है दैट कैन नॉट स्टैंड स्ट्रेट और वॉक स्ट्रेट. इट हैज़ टू क्रॉल बिकॉज उनकी स्पाइंस टूटी होती हैं एंड दे आर द मोस्ट हॉरेबल लुकिंग क्रीचर्स. Yes, it is the most horrible of the realms, but it is the realm which is closest to the earth. So whatever bad spirits exist are actually really very close to earth. The book actually describes these creatures that like they have disfigured bodies and horrible minds. These creatures are full of bad intentions and feelings towards each other and everyone they come across, and their bodies are actually very heavy, and they live in pitch darkness. And the hell, this world actually looks like a very barren world that has rocks everywhere but nothing else. And these creatures have actually never seen a bit spark of any light ever since.